Hi everyone. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to add customer branches. So the first step that we have to do here is of course to log in first into your back office interface. The moment that you have logged in into your back office, tap the sales module here and below you will see customer branches. So what is customer branches and why do we need it? So customer branches, if one customer's profile have multiple branches for multiple locations, then this is the best approach for that one. So the first step that you have to do is search your customers. So I have here Maria Emilia Galvez. She already have a specific first branch here, and I want to add another branch. So here you have to input the branch name. So I am going to say Rego Holdings Incorporated. The short name will be RHI. If there's salesperson that you want to assign, you may able to assign one. If there is sales area that you want to specifically assign for this branch, you may able to do that. Sales group, is this a large, medium, or small? You can also create your own sales group based on business, based on type of the business, based on location, depends on you. So in my end, I'm going to select large. And for the inventory location where it deducts every time this branch will order in our end, I am going to select store. And if any default shipping company or courier that you want to assign, you can also assign that one. And if this branch is vatable or non-VAT, you may also select. For the GL accounts, it is default in the system. It is already set up, so you don't need to input anything. For the contact person, you may able to write the name of the contact person. So I am going to write here, Akeles Riego for that, and then the contact number for this specific person. For the second contact, secondary phone numbers, fax if there is, and the details. Once you're already good to go, we have here the mailing address, and this is optional for you to input the billing address and the medical assistance if there is. So once you're good to go, just tap the add new. Automatically, this branch will get added to our customers Maria Emilia Galvez.